Welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I show you what you can do with a collage background. I have already added some collage elements to the background and I will go on top with gesso. I love the texture that you get when you use gesso with a palette knife. My next layer will be some water-diluted acrylic paints. To add more texture and interest to the page, I make some background stamping with a text stamp. And I believe you know already that I love to add white color splatters. I have cut out the butterfly that was stamped on watercolor paper, and now I'm going to adhere the sentiment. It is stamped onto tissue paper and I adhere it with gel medium. I color the butterfly with distressings. Finally, I glue down the butterfly. This is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!